Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about how we'll interact with your AI agent. Then AI agent will plan and then how to act and provide the response to you from the BigQuery. So meanwhile, what the technical logic behind the scene? So I'll show you in demo. But before that, let me explain details. So as a user, first if the AI agent is created, for example, you are going to create a sales agent or maybe search agent, whatever agent you are planning, you create the agent. Then what will happen? That agent will connect to MCP toolbox for database. Database is nothing but where the data is storing. In this case, I'll show you some data we are storing into BigQuery. How we are fetching data from BigQuery, and you can able to manipulate to get the information or details. You can able to see at for your sales, daily sales, or new release or whatever based on your business requirement. But this is the basic idea to how to implement in your enterprise application, to how you uh, enhance your productivity to enable the AI enablement environment to integrate, right? So as you can see in this diagram, as a user will interact with the agent, then agent will connect with MCP toolbox. MCP toolbox will connect to BigQuery. So this is all about in this video. So let's go ahead and I'll see the configuration and setup, then how you can interact with your BigQuery with the help of AI agent, right? So now we'll see the demo part. Okay, let's go to the directory like the three combination agent, MCP and BigQuery. Agent, MCP and BigQuery. This is the folder, and you created two different folder inside this. One for ADK agent and one for MCP. So first, let me go to MCP setup, MCP toolbox setup. So what we'll have to do? Let me tell you. So here, let me go to MCP directory, and then my first step would be to set up my first step would be to set up a MCP installation. So install MCP. Let me install MCP. See, MCP installation done. So now you see my sales agent is ready to provide the response. For example, I need a sales details, sales details information. So customer data or product data. So for example, I need a product data. Product data. So now the see there is two tools I'm using. One for customer data, another one is for product data. So now my as per my request is goes to product data and try to fetch the data from the BigQuery. Now you can check. Now we'll test it how my agent is working perfectly or not, and able to connect with BigQuery or not. So let me check. First, let me run the agent. So how to run agent? ADK, then run, then agent name. This is my agent name. So here I want to put a couple of questions. First, I want to put questions like how many it's for my BigQuery information. I want to find the furniture sales in 2023. This is my prompt. So I want to check here. So as it is, the information is able to fetch from the uh, BigQuery or not. You can see this amount in 2023 amount, and here also through BigQuery I just execute through the SQL query. I can able to get that. So similarly, my next questions I want to get like how many clothing sales in 2023 month wise. So let me ask to my agent, my sales agent. Here I just asking how many clothing sales in 2023 month wise information should I get here. You see, January 26, February 17, March 26, April. So this information, like which I got from the BigQuery, right? So you can also use this sales agent. So the different method to use it is like if I want to exit from here and then I want to use ADK web. So web version, CLI version I show you, now web version I want to show, right? In web. This is my URL to access, and as you can see my sales AI agent is ready now. Just I want to ask the questions like how many clothing sales in 2023 in month wise. Let me ask here, so I should get the answer. I see the monthly wise response which I got, and my agent how it's working to my root agent connecting to cloth tools sales monthwise, and then get the response back. Similarly, I want to ask some other questions like uh, find the uh, find the 2023 sales total furnitures. Let me ask here. You see the result is uh, the total value in 2023 I this amount, right? So how it's working, like how root agent is connecting to tool, then response back to the tool, and which I'm getting the response here as well. So I hope like in this video ultimately what you learn, right? uh, how to create agent, how to set up MCP toolbox, and how interact with the agent to your BigQuery data to get the sales related information, right? So let me quickly overview what we did. Uh, First, look at the code command. This is the folder agent, MCP, and BigQuery. This is the three major techniques. In the agent part, we created a agent, and then variable is the variable you have to define, and agent setup, like agent how will communicate to MCP toolbox. And MCP toolbox, of course, this is a different folder you will create and install the MCP toolbox. Then you write a YML file logic to interact with your how in to MCP toolbox will interact with your BigQuery, right? That logic you should retain. And this is the code level details. Then how to interact. First you will run the MCP server, and then once MCP server run, then you will run your ADK agent, so that you can able to interact with your agent. Agent will response back to here, like the root agent will provide the response to the tool. Tool will connect to the BigQuery, like where the actual data is available here. As you can see, this the actual data is available, and make sure you have a data set, and in the data set you have a table. A data should be stored, like this. So let me show you the preview of the data. So this kind of sales data, if you are collecting and storing here. So this is all about this video. I hope this video will be helpful to understand and to set up for your requirement to how you can create a sales AI agent and to fetch the information from the BigQuery. So I hope this video will be much more interactive and how you can implement in your solution. I'm looking forward to seeing the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more video like this. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.